Just 10 minutes ago, a 4.2 magnitude earthquake struck near Salem, Oregon, Marion County, Oregon, USA. The tremor was recorded early morning on Friday, October 7, 2022, at 5:52 a.m. local time, at a very shallow depth of 5 miles below the surface. The event was filed by the United States Geological Survey, the first seismological agency to report it. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 4.2 earthquake as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, at magnitude 4.2, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, at magnitude 4.3.